Question 3. A car was bought for 18,000 pounds. Its value depreciated by 15% each year for the first 3 years. What was its value at the end of the 3 years? Right, so another simple compound interest question. So a car was bought for 18,000. 18,000. Let's just put 18k. Its value depreciated by 15% each year. So you do times 1 minus 0.15. 15% is 0.15. Depreciated means it has decreased, so which is why it's a minus. The 1 is always there. Okay, when it comes to compound interest, there's this formula where you have the starting number here, then you have 1, then you have either plus or minus, and then the percentage. Each year for the first 3 years. Okay, first 3 years. So that means that the power is 3, since the power stands for the number of years. What is the value at the end of the 3 years? So let's say the value is x. We are trying to find x. So what you simply do is you just solve x. It's really that simple. So 18,000. So 18k times 0.85 cubed equals x, which is, hold on, let me just grab my calculator. 11,054. 11,054. Very straightforward, very easy. Now for some of you, if you're a bit confused about what equation I'm talking about, well, this is it. So let's just use the letters, to be honest. So A is a starting number. Okay, the starting number in this case is 18,000. Okay, A times 1. Now when we write this equation, you always leave that 1 there. So 1 plus or minus, depending if the compound interest is adding or subtracting. Okay, so in this case it's depreciating, which means that it's decreased, so we use the minus. And then B represents the percentage. The percentage you have to convert into decimal like we did here. And then to the power of, like this in bracket, 1 plus or minus B in bracket to the power of the number of years. In this case it was 3. And that equals end result. Okay, now these are just letters, by the way. These are just letters to help you understand. These letters can be anything, okay, but the 1 is always there, and this is always a structure. Okay, so whenever you have a compound interest question, you just fill those in and then you find the missing value. It's really that simple.